lot of creativity in the building and construction industry. You learn a lot of things you can do for yourself, and a lot of things that are trending and updated in the building and construction industry. So quick to today's agenda, we'll be discussing about the top 10 essential tools that every DIY enthusiast should have in their toolbox. If you are the type that always wants to do things yourself, these are the tools you should have in your toolbox. These tools are very crucial for various construction tasks, and having them on hand will make your DIY project a breeze. So let's dive in. So my top one here is a hammer. We all know what hammer is. So why is hammer very important for a DIY enthusiast? The hammer is a versatile tool that is essential for driving nails and removing them. Its weighted head and sturdy handle provide the necessary force for various tasks, such as hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or constructing wooden structures. A hammer will easily help you to nail things to your wall. It will easily help you to have a lot of things fixed to your wall. So the next one we have here is a screwdriver set. A good set of screwdriver is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. It consists of different types of sizes of screwdrivers, allowing you to tighten or loosen screws of various sizes and types. The next one we have here is tape measure. We all know what tape is. A tape is very, very important. Tape is important for accurate measurements and crucial in your DIY projects. Whether you are measuring the dimensions of a room or marking the length of a piece of wood, a tape measure ensures precision and consistency. Tool number 4 is a level. A level is essential for ensuring that your constructions are straight and level. It helps you achieve professional looking results by indicating whether a surface is perfectly horizontal or vertical. Let's take for instance, when you are hanging your artwork on your wall, sometimes when you are done hanging, thinking all the work is done, you sit back and watch, you be like, oh, this thing is not straight, it's not nice looking, I need to refix this again. That's too much task on you and it stresses a lot. But with a level, it will help you note when it is perfectly horizontal or vertical. Whether you are hanging shelves or installing tiles, a level is your best friend. You need to have it. Tool number 5 is a power drill. A power drill is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast. It makes drilling holes and driving screws quick and effortless. Look for a drill with adjustable speed settings and different drill bits to handle various materials. Number 6 too is a circular saw. When it comes to cutting materials like wood or plastic, a circular saw is a go-to tool. Its rotating blade allows you to make straight and precise cuts with ease. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective goggles and following proper handling techniques while you are using a circular saw. The number 7 tool here is a chisel set. Chisels are essential for woodworking and carving tasks. You can see what the man is doing there in the demo. He's trying to do some carving activities. So you can see he's using a chisel set. Chisels are making the work easier for him. So a chisel will help you remove unwanted material, create intricate designs, or smoothen rough edges. A quality chisel set with different blade sizes gives you versatility and control. Now number 8 tool here is clamps. You need to get clamp if you don't have. Clamps are indispensable for holding materials securely in a place during gluing, drilling or sawing. They provide stability and prevent accidents, ensuring your work pieces stay in position as you work on them. Number 9 tool here is utility knife. A utility knife is a handle tool for a wide range of tasks, such as cutting materials, opening packages, or stripping wires. Its retractable blade and ergonomic design make it easy to handle and store safely. You need to get it, it's essential. The last but not the least tool here is a safety goggle. You can't be working on, materials that looks not safe and you're not with a safety glass. Your eyes is the most sensitive part of your body and it's always naked, like anything can just go in as an emergency. So you need to get safety goggles. They are vital parts of your DIY toolkit. They protect your eyes from flying debris, dust, or harmful substances. Whenever you are involved in tasks that pose eye hazards, be sure to wear safety goggles. Wear safety goggles for maximum protection. Yeah, by equipping yourself with these tools, you will be well prepared to tackle your DIY projects with confidence and efficiency. So guys, did you find this video interesting? If yes, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks. Don't forget to shop on our e-commerce store if you need any of these items. Thank you for staying up to this video. See you in our next video. Bye.